Hey everybody, recently I was contacted by a lady that said she wanted some more information on how these machines work and exactly what we do as we produce these metal panels and the trim for all this roofing. So I wanted to take some time today and shoot a couple videos showing you exactly how this works. So the first process in the step is we're going to get the coil. Right now we're running off what we call gallery blue. We're going to get this coil and put it on the cradle, which is then going to go into the decoiler. This decoiler right here can hold up to 12,000 pounds of steel. So we'll get this on here. Once we get this loaded on, then we'll go to the next step. All right, so now we've got the coil loaded onto the decoiler. We're pulling off some material. It's going to come down here onto the ground under the wheel, and then it's going to roll back up into the machine. Once we get it loaded into the machine, we have to cut it to make sure it's nice and square to get started, and then the machine starts a counter. Because as the decoiler unrolls it, the machine has to count exact to the inch to the eighth of an inch of how long the panel is going to be. These panels are cut exact to the size that the contractor or the homeowner needs. All right, so we've got the coil loaded into the machine. It's all started, squared off, ready to go. The next step is to come over here to the main computer, program how many panels, the length, and what order you want them to come out in. So what we do is when we cut a full order, this one's easy, they're all the same size, but if we cut one with 30 different sizes, you want the longest panel first. That way when it comes out, it's the bottom sheet and then everyone stack up on top. So he'll program the size, how many, he tells the computer to go, it tells the decoiler to start, and then the machine will crank up and it starts spitting them out, and that'll be the next phase. All right, so now we're gonna roll out these panels. It gets fed in. The machine tells it exactly how long it's going to cut it. So now that's cut into a 4-foot panel. We'll come over here and watch it come out the other end. Really short panels, so they're not exactly the way that they typically, but normally we have a lot of sawhorses out here, they run out. These 4-foot panels now, so they're all measured. They're going to be rolled out. There's about 100 different rollers in this machine. Each roller starts to make these crimps and these bends. So by the time it comes out, every single panel is exactly the same, very uniformed, and ready to be installed.